Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to find your downloads on your iPhone. And this is quite simple. When we go to Safari and we go to images and we click on the image and we do save image, then you will probably find that image in your photos. But what if you downloaded a PDF or something else? Then what you need to do is scroll down and click on files. Then go back and go to browse, and then the first option that we need to check is downloads right here. Because many times everything from your Safari that you downloaded is standing right here. 9 of the 10 times. But what if it's not standing right here? Then what you need to do is go back, and then we go to iCloud Drive, and then we go to downloads again, and then maybe it's standing right here. So these are the two options how you can find your downloads on your iPhone. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Then from now, thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.